I told you I could get Slinky.
Well, you got to thank Santa Claus. Santa brought it for you.
Yeah. Slinky dog.
Logan, what about yours?
What about yours?
You can build with that.
Yeah.
Jack's got Slinky Dog.
There's presents. There's more presents in there. Are they from Brittany? I think those are for Taylor. I think Santa dropped those off for Taylor. Why don't you hand me the other one, Logan? Why don't you hand me the other one? Over there.
Is that for Jack?
Right against the wall.
Yeah. That's from me.
That one, yeah.
That's from Brittany, Jack.
No, you open it. You open it. Put that camera there.
What about this one? Cell phone camera?
I don't know.
Post it on Facebook?
What'd you get, Jack? Tools? All right. Logan. Logan, you got one right here, honey. I know. Let's see what's in there, okay?
Merry Christmas.
Is that paper?
You say Merry Christmas? Wow, what's that? Cars? Legos?
I don't know if they are. Jack picked them out.
Cool. Look at Slinky Dog.
Yeah. Look at Slinky Dog. Oh.